Crucial Pro Overclocking series, including the DDR5-6000, 2x16GB and its white color variant, consistently proved to be great RAM at an affordable price last year. Is the dialed up version, the DDR5-6400 we have today, still the memory to buy in 2025? To start, let us get the overclocking part out of the way first. Unfortunately, we were not able to get anything more out of it as shown in our screenshot here, so DDR5-6400 is DDR5-6400, nothing more, nothing less. Other than that, the latest version still features clean and visually appealing medium profile heat spreaders designed to be compatible with any modern CPU cooler. Internally, you will unsurprisingly find Micron ICs, which are always dependable. Should anything go wrong, it comes with a lifetime warranty, just like any Crucial memory product. According to our tests, the Crucial Pro Overclocking DDR5-6400 2x16GB delivered expected results across synthetic and real-world simulation benchmarks. For about $90 at the time of making this video, the Crucial Pro Overclocking DDR5-6400 2x16GB continues to be a reliable, stylish, and competitively priced DDR5 memory kit which, while they are no speed demon clocking north of 7000 MHz, still offers a little bit more megahertz than the basic stuff to go with the platform of your choice. Let me know in the comments what you think of this RAM.